Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the BMW X1 on a 21 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside. Firstly, we're going to make our way down the driver's side of the vehicle. I'll show you inside the tailgate area, and then we'll hop in, and as I said, we'll run through some controls from there. So we're going to start off in the boot first. This car's got reversing sensors, as you can see. Plenty of boot space as well, which can be increased by folding down any or all of those three rear seats, should you wish to. And then we have the passenger side of the vehicle, of course. As you can see, all of the alloy wheels are in pristine condition, as is the bodywork, particularly for the age of the vehicle as well. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. You get full leather seats, of course. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the vehicle, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the speedometer and fuel gauge, and on the right-hand side, the rev counter. In the sensor, you can see the total miles. They are 24,408. We're going to back out to the steering wheel next. On the left-hand side, you can see cruise control and speed limiter. We have our phone and stereo controls on the right-hand side, and behind the steering wheel, the minus and plus paddle, so you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. So over onto the central screen next. This is all touchscreen, although you don't have to use the touchscreen. You can see me moving around on the screen at the moment without using the touchscreen, and that's done using the iDrive system, which is essentially this dial. The buttons that surround it will take you into the menus highlighted, but you can use the dial for everything. So for example, we've got our DAB, AM and FM radio, Bluetooth audio and USB input there as well. We have the ability to pair our phone. We have satellite navigation. This is BMW's professional nav, so the extra wide display. Really nice, easy system to use. And we have vehicle settings menus at the end here. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, you'll see and hear, but we've got a visual guide to the parking sensors available there as well. Working our way down, the main volume for our stereo, and then below that, the dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger and driver temperatures independently of one another. You can change your fan speed. You can turn your air conditioning on and off from there as well. We have two cup holders with this that you can close across should you wish to. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. You can change the driving setup of the car. So you can turn the traction control on and off. You can put the vehicle into sport, comfort and eco pro from here. Whichever mode you put it in shows you on the screen. Comfort being your kind of everyday driving mode. Last thing I wanted to mention is the paperwork we have for the vehicle. So you can see the V5 registration document showing it's a one owner vehicle from you. And then in the envelope here is the spare key. So 2 keys in total. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.